Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching The Creek. This video is all about 10 interesting facts about planet Earth. Number 1. Earth isn't actually round. Since time immemorial, the form of the Earth has been a source of contention. There was a period when the world was thought to be flat. After centuries of research, we currently know that the Earth isn't really flat, but rather an oblate spheroid. This is $1 million knowledge for intermediate level students. Number 2. Coral reefs are Earth's largest living structure. Yes. Satellite photograph of the Great Barrier Reef situated off the northeastern coast of Australia, stretching for 1,429 miles over an area of approximately 133,000 square miles. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world. Number 3. Earth has a squishy interior. Earth's hard, rocky crust, which includes the ground that we walk on, sits on top of a 2,900 kilometers thick layer called the mantle. This is quite soft and behaves like a thick liquid. Number 4. Antarctica is home to the largest ice sheet on Earth. Yes. It covers more than 14 million square kilometers, 5.4 million square miles, and contains about 30 million cubic kilometers, 7.2 million cubic miles of water. The Antarctic ice sheet is about 2 kilometers, 1.2 miles thick. 5. The moon is drifting away from Earth. Yeah. You can argue, but NASA scientists have revealed that the moon is slowly drifting away from the Earth at the rate of 3.8 centimeters per year. The phenomenon didn't used to occur earlier and is possibly the result of Milankovitch cycles. According to NASA space scientists, the moon is slowly drifting away from the Earth. These cycles and their frequencies also determine the distance between the moon and the Earth. According to scientists, the moon was 60,000 kilometers closer to Earth around 2.46 billion years ago than its present distance. This means the blue planet used to receive 17 hours of sunlight per day. Did you know it before? Tell me in the comment box. Before proceeding, there is a humble request to all of you guys. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates from us. 6. Atacama is the driest place on Earth. What? Yes, you heard it right. The Atacama is the driest place on Earth, other than the poles. It receives less than 1 millimeter of precipitation each year, and some areas haven't seen a drop of rain in more than 500 years. So, if you are planning to visit to Atacama Desert, make sure to carry a tank of water with you. Number 7. Earth's magnetic pole is creeping westward, unlike our geographic North Pole, which is in a fixed location. Earth's magnetic north wanders. Until the early 1990s, the magnetic North Pole was known to lie some 1,600 kilometers south of true north, in Canada. Yet scientists realized that the location of magnetic north wasn't fixed and was drifting at a rate of 15 kilometers a year. Since the 1990s, however, the drift of Earth's magnetic pole has turned into more of a sprint. Its present speed is around 50-60 kilometers a year and is making a dash towards Siberia at a pace not seen before. Why? Scientists studying the drift of Earth's magnetic North Pole, using data from ESA's SWARM mission, have pinpointed a change in the circulation pattern of magnetic blobs deep below Earth's surface. They learned a change in the flow underneath Canada has caused a patch of magnetic field at the edge of Earth's core, deep within the Earth, to be stretched out. This has weakened the Canadian patch and resulted in the pole shifting towards Siberia. Number 8. Europe is the second smallest continent in size, but the third largest in population. The second smallest continent based on land area is Europe. It is composed of 3,997,929 square miles, approximately 1 million square miles larger than the smallest continent, Australia. Europe is the third most populous continent, with approximately 747 million citizens. Keep this in mind for general knowledge. Number 9. Tibetan Plateau is Earth's third pole. This so-called third pole TP encompasses the Tibetan Plateau, the Himalayas, the Hindu Kush, the Pamirs, and the Tian Shan Mountains. Meltwater from ice and snow in the third pole feeds many of Asia's large lakes and rivers, including the Indus, Brahmaputra, Ganges, Yellow, and Yangtze. How shocking is that? Number 10. Trees are brothers. Really? Just like humans, trees breathe. But while humans inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, trees do the opposite. Their leaves pull in carbon dioxide, water, and energy from the sun to turn into sugars that feed the tree. This process, known as photosynthesis, emits oxygen. Do you like We Plant? I hope you like the video, and if it is, make sure to tap the subscribe button. Drop a like too. Share this with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.